Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to create a savings goals in Trim. Are you ready to save for something special? Well, Trim makes it easy to set up a savings goals and to track your progress towards it. Let me show you how it's done. First, start by opening the Trim app and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, from the home screen, you're going to tap on the savings or goals section. So look for savings or goals, and then look for the option that says create new goal, or the option that says add savings goals, of course based on which version of the app you're using. And once you find that, tap on it to begin. Trim will ask you what your saving goal is for. This could be anything from saving for a vacation, a new gadget, or an emergency fund. You'll need to give your goal a name and set a target amount, which is how much exactly you want to save. Then select your target date when you hope to reach that goal. Trim will calculate how much you need to save per week or per month to hit that target on time. Once your goal is set up, you can decide if you want to set up automatic savings. This means that Trim will help you to save by automatically transferring a fixed amount from your linked bank account to your savings goals. You can adjust this amount as needed. You also see your savings progress towards your goals updated regularly so you can know exactly where you stand. And that's it. You created your savings goals in Trim, and now you're on your way to reaching it. Next, I'm going to show you how to automate savings with Trim for even more ease. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep moving towards your financial goal. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.